It was a somber mood Friday morning in Mbiro Zone, Central Division, Kampala City, after soil collapsed on two workers who were carrying out an excavation at a construction site, killing one, Kato Martin.
Nenziruka tuukawo nga badduka bali mu kujja abataano nga bavuddeyo then ababiri nga bo bakyasigaddeyo ng'omuli mubisse paka nga wano ne tumusima ng'omu mubikiddeyo wansi ng'afiiriddeyo bambi.
Soil collapsed on two people. These were at a construction site in Kisenyi, and the incident happened today at about 9 a.m. in the morning.
Following this tragic incident, the Deputy Executive Director KCCA, Engineer David Luyimbazi, ordered the engineers to stop construction activities at the site.
So we're going to cordon off the site and make sure that no more lives are lost as a result of working in this unsafe environment. We shall give you more facts as the investigation goes on.
Luyimbazi also raised fears over the deep excavations at this building with potential of collapsing at any time.
That is hoarded off. Sometimes we may not actually know what is happening, but we have our inspectors who are supposed to visit the sites. We're going to find out what the inspectors did. I'm advised that this site was stopped, but I don't have the facts.
The mayor of Kampala Central Division, Salimu Uhuru, and locals had this to say about the incident.
Ku kisenge tebazimba retaining wall kakivude ku nkuba waliwo toilet ebaddawo ne bathroom kati kivude ku nkuba okuleeta ekisenge ekyo wansi netta abantu.
Nenzirako ne waggulu nsika ettaka badde nkyasika nga nzikiriddeawo wansi ettaka kwe kuvaayo olumu ne liyiika ettaka ne liyiika lumu ne litubikka.
The deputy spokesperson, Kampala Metropolitan Police, Luke Owesigire, told reporters that they have begun investigation into the matter.
Investigations have kicked off to ascertain the engineers of this site, and upon identifying them, we question them whether they followed the right procedure in making sure they safeguard workers and the people around.
The body of the deceased has been conveyed to City Mortuary in Mulago. Joshua Kagoro, Joseph Moyingo, UBC News.